PBM radial diaphragm tank outlet valves. Two-piece tank weld pad and valve body design provides the following advantages. Weld pad may be shipped early to facilitate fabrication schedule. Body can be rotated to any angle to clear obstructions or to ease the connection of outlet tubing. Body may be replaced in the future without fabrication, in case of damage or the addition of satellite valve, or purge ports. The design allows user-defined rotation angles for valve body. Independent weld pad with removable clamp, for valve body rotation adjustments. Manual and automated radial diaphragm valves. Optional valve configurations. Point of use. Extended weld pad for jacketed vessels. Clamp on, with purge port. Satellite valve. Tangential. Tangential valve design allows for full drainage when mounted off-center of tank. PBM tank valves are available with third-party testing on cleanability and drainability.